Hey everyone, how's it going? Now, in honor of Red for Ed Day and supporting all the teachers out there, I want to show you guys how to make a love sign for teachers. So to start off with this, we're going to be making 4 letters, L-O-V-E, but instead of an O, we're going to be making an apple instead. So I'm going to start right here at the apple first. So to draw this, you just want to make a little curved line like this, kind of like a little smiley face. And then I'm going to make a little line that curves out this way, and then a little line that curves out that way for the stem. Then I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of curves around like this. Now starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around, and then it's just going to come down like this. And then right here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to have a line that just kind of curves out, and then it's just going to come down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves up. And then a little line right here that just kind of connects for the bottom of the apple. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that curves down, goes over, and then kind of comes back up like a triangle shape for a little shine. And then I'm going to do another one right down here, just going the other direction. Now to draw a little leaf for the apple, I'm just going to make a little curved line like this, and a little curved line right here. And then I'm just going to put a nice little line down the center. Now for all of the letters. So to start with the L, we're going to make it kind of like a block style letter. So what I'm going to do is, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go across. And then I'm going to make a line that just goes down like this. And then a little line that goes all the way to the apple. And then starting right by the apple, you want to make a little line that goes down here. Then right here, I'm going to draw another line that goes down. And then I'm going to connect this all the way to here. Then starting right here, I'm going to make the V. So I'm going to make 2 lines like this. I'm going to connect them with 2 diagonal lines like this. Then I'm going to make 2 more diagonal lines this way. And then just connect them like this. Now for the E, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down here. Line across here, and then a line across right there. Line that goes down and in. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up and in. Then a little line down, a little line up. And then I'm just going to make a little rectangle shape right here. Now, I want to make these letters just stand out a little bit more. You could leave them like this, but I want to make these look 3-dimensional. So I'm just going to draw a diagonal line in this corner, and this corner of the L. And then I'm just going to connect these lines. Then I'm going to put a little diagonal line here, 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 and here. And then I'm just going to connect these. And then one right here. Then I'm going to draw 2 diagonal lines here, and then 1 right here. And then just going to connect them. And then I'm just going to draw a diagonal line here that goes over, and a diagonal line here that goes over. And there you go. There is your love sign for teachers. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.